Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. Now in this video I'm going to be showing you guys and doing my analysis what stocks that I'm looking to short. So mostly what we have is, let's move this, mostly what we have is we have Airlines, and then we have banks. So BAC is a great one, and then Wells Fargo, and then GS, Goldman Sachs, was the main one. And again, I want to explain exactly why I am bearish as simple as possible. Now I want to do a quick update because PayPal play 80%, and then I want to talk about very simple on Square. So Square was we cut around open for a minus 20%, and that was a great stop loss, amazing stop loss. As you guys can see, we dumped like all the way to 252. If we would have like held on, we would be down like over 100%. And again, we had a very tight stop loss, and I mentioned it in the video. So that is why it's very important to watch these videos and set your own stop loss. And again, we got a great stop loss on SQ. You could have played puts to the downside, but overall, let's get back into what I am looking to short. Okay, now why am I shorting these stocks? The first thing is we have very nice gaps on all the stocks that I'm talking about right now. I'm loving this Bank of America gap right around over here. MACD looks very nice right over here, and we tested the support 3 times. Okay, but at open, you guys know that the volume is very high. So as long as if we don't gap up and we open right at this support, I'm looking to get puts. Okay, this week expiration puts. This is a small gap. Okay, so we might be able to fill this gap very quick. The only problem is I just hope we do not gap down, because I think futures are going to be red, and I think this is going to be a great play. There's also a very nice bearish candlestick right over here, but my favorite short is Goldman Sachs. Okay, because right over here we had a great double top, and then we have not even entered the gap yet. So I'm looking at 2-week expiration on puts, and then we have another gap down below, then another gap down below. But my price target is going to be this gap right over here, so around 400 area, and this is the contract that I am looking at. Okay, so I checked in on GS. I'm looking at around 24th expiration, and I'll be making another video, but we do have some bearish catalysts coming in, dealing with Jerome Powell and quad witching, but I'll make that in another video. But key thing is, you guys have to set alerts at the breakout. For GS, I'm looking to enter in puts right at open to swing to the gap fill. Okay, and let's look at Wells Fargo. So Wells Fargo right over here, let's do a quick chart. I haven't even charted them, but we have a nice symmetrical triangle right over here. This is a clear bear flag right over here. Personally, I'm very bearish for tomorrow for bank. So we have a very nice bear flag right over here. My price target would be like right around over here. 42 looks nice, and again, banks, they're a very cheap play. Okay, so if we break to the downside, this is going to be our price target. Okay, this is going to be our price target, but we can break to the upside. If we do break to the upside, this is going to be our price target. So again, this is asymmetrical triangle. So my favorite play is going to be GS. And then I have Bank of America, hopefully right at open, as long as if we don't gap up. And then again, Delta Airlines. I did mean to swing this, but I did not alert in the Discord. I do not have any swing positions yet, but I just hope we don't gap up and we can play these swings. So again, mostly bearish on. I'll be making another whole video on a QQ, but again, we've played all the way up calls. Now we have to play to the downside, and we have multiple gaps down below which we can play, and that is how I play puts. I play puts on these gaps. So overall, very nice simple strategy on gap fills. That is how I play them. Again, looking to enter in GS right at open to swing this Delta. And overall, just rewatch this video. I hope I made everything very simple as possible. If you guys did enjoy this content, in return, all I'm asking for you to do is hit that like button. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching.